Hi everyone, this is Nisha and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of my new Cricut machine. I got a little too excited when it came in, so I already took off the shipping boxes, and these were the things in them. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a few things that are right here. These came separate than the Cricut. I made this additional purchase because there was a lot of stuff on sale, so I was like, might as well get some stuff to do. So I got 3 different colors of the Cricut Premium Vinyl. One is Midnight Blue, which I love this color, this is gorgeous. Light gray, as well as this mustard color, which I love this one too. So I got 2 sets. Oh god, I don't know if I can get it like that. Oh. 2 sets. That's not bad. That's too bad. 2 sets of it. So that's that one. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was like $4 for each one of these, and I just thought that would be fun to do stuff with it. Granted, I've never ever used vinyl before, so it's going to be an experiment, but I'm really excited to start. So that's that. And then additionally, I bought I got 2 mats of the standard grip mat, 12 inches by 12 inches. I heard that this is good for doing projects on, and it like holds the paper vinyl pretty well because of the grip. So I got that. Then I went a little insane and I got these 2 mats each in each one of these packages. It's the standard grip mat for 12 inches by 24 inches. Honestly, I should have realized that this was kind of intense, but I did it, so now here we are. And I think a good thing is that I could probably like put 2 projects together and do the cutting at once, which actually would be a lot easier, and I could make more from that, so that's cool. And then the actual machine. So I already opened it up and I took the packaging out of it already because I got really excited and I wanted to see what all was included in it. I got the Wild Rose edition, and it's a bundle. I think I paid like $230 for this with the bundle included. So that was that. When I opened it up, it did have this little like sleeve protector thing. What is this called? Cellophane. Cellophane. So inside of it was this like welcome guide. Welcome guide. I don't even remember what the other stuff is right now. It gave me like a few pieces for like my first project, so I can test out the machine and stuff. So that's cool. They also gave me vinyl, already printed vinyl, so I could put it on the machine if I wanted to, or I guess I can put it anywhere because it's vinyl. So that's cool. Very excited to use that. And then of course it has like the warranty information. There was like this, like I said, there was like a few pieces of cardstock in there to make my first project, which hopefully I'll get this booted up and ready after I finish this video. And then it came with these cute little cards about the steps that you can do before like starting. So that's awesome. So I got that. I'm just gonna put this away here. Put it in the box later or bag later. So let's open up this. Okay, so what it came with part of the bundle. So usually if you just buy the Cricut machine, it only comes with the machine. And of course like the plug-in to the power plug-in, sorry, and also a connectivity to attach it to your computer. So that's what just the Cricut machine comes with. Cricut, what is this called? The Cricut Explore Air 2 comes with. And then with the bundle, I got all this extra stuff, which is awesome. And I'm so excited. So I got another, what is this? 12 by 12 light grip. So I don't know what the, like, of course it's probably not as sticky as the standard grip, but I'm interested to see how this will work. And I wonder if it will hold everything that I want to make. I think it would. I don't think there would be an issue, but that's that first thing. They gave me 2 transfer tapes. One is a transfer tape and one is a strong grip transfer tape. I love that they label it, so cute. So like to the touch, this is very light and this is like thicker, so that's what I'm guessing the strong grip's different. Also, never used vinyl, so I don't even freaking know how to use this yet because I don't know how to use it. But yeah, here we go. That will be the next project. It also came with a pack of printable vinyl. I was trying to see how many is in this pack, but it's not telling me. So it's printable vinyl, which is cool, and that's nice of them to do that. Then all the fun stuff. So they gave me 2 packs in this bundle. They gave me 2 packs of premium vinyl. One is permanent and one is removable. So it's premium vinyl that's removable. So that's cool. I love this gold color, so I'm excited to make something of that. That's why I really like this, because of the gold. Oh, beautiful. So that's that. Then it came with a pack of premium vinyl shimmer permanent. And this is very pretty. I have not opened it up to see all the other colors in here, but I can tell there's more colors than just this pink one, so that's exciting. Got a pen to attach to the machine. There is an option to plug this into it so that it can write for you or write the design for you or draw the design for you. So that's a cool feature, and I'm really looking forward to using it. It also came with a gold weeder as well as a gold scraper. So pretty, so pretty. I'm so excited to use these. Apparently these are used for vinyl. Take it from a beginner, I have no idea, but I'm gonna just, assume. And then wiring wise, it did come with this comes with like just the Cricut machine if you buy it by yourself without the bundle. It comes with the wires to plug it into your computer so that you can transfer your design from the design space to the Cricut and it will print it out that way. I think this comes with Bluetooth. I haven't figured out how to use that yet, but I will definitely let you guys know how it works. I know a lot of people are saying that the Bluetooth is not that great, like the connectivity is not that great, but I'll go ahead and try it and let you guys know. So, like I said, I don't even know if this is it. Yeah, power cord connection to computer. That's awesome. So if the Bluetooth doesn't work, then I can use the connection for the wires connecting to my computer, which is great. It's a great option. So I went ahead and took it out of the box for you guys to see. I think this is completely gorgeous. So like I said, this is the Cricut Explorer Air 2, and it's the wild rose color, and and honestly I don't like pink usually, but this is really pretty. And I was like, you know what, I want something that sticks out, so here we go. Pink and a blue room. So that's cool. I have not unpacked this yet because I'm kind of nervous about like breaking it and stuff like that, because I'm kind of a klutz. So we'll see about that one. But this element is so cute. It has a gold little spinner here, which is adorable. But I am going to, when I start producing projects on this, I will be sure to put it in my, post it on Instagram. So please go ahead and follow my Instagram to see those posts. I'm really excited to get this started. Also, I do have stickers in my shop on my website. So if you guys are looking for stickers, and I'm going to be cutting it on this machine, please go ahead and look there and place your orders. I'm really excited to send those out to you guys. Also, I do custom stickers, so if you guys have like a custom thing that you want to do, go ahead and go to my website, and there is like a custom options button that you can press on, and you can tell me what you want. I'll be sure to contact you and make sure that I have all the details that you are looking for, and then we can go from there, of course. And then, please, if you want to see more content like this one, especially unboxings of very pretty machines, then go ahead and press that subscribe button, and I'll be posting more videos like this if you guys are interested. So if you do like this content, please give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment below if you have any suggestions on videos that you want me to create. I'll be happy to make those videos, and I'm really excited to make more videos about my machine and how I'm going to be using it. So please go ahead and leave a comment, and of course like this video. So I'm going to go and try and set this up without breaking it. So wish me luck. But for sure, I will talk to you guys soon. Okay, bye. I'm totally gonna break this, am I not?